I thought there was going to be an easy winner, but once I actually tested these side by side, it wasn't nearly as obvious as I expected. So this is the Teant and the Jigoo, both really popular mattress vacuums. And I split the mattress in half so they're both cleaning the exact same surface. Same mattress, same conditions, just to see which one actually pulls out the most dust. If you want to check out either of these, I've linked them in the description. And if you like this kind of side-by-side testing, definitely subscribe. I do a lot of these comparisons so you can see what's actually worth it before you buy. Okay, that's already more than I expected. And this is from a twin mattress that look completely clean. So right away, I know both of these are clearly doing something. They have a lot of the same features: strong suction, hot air blowing combined with tapping or vibration to release dust, and UV light to take care of whatever's left. The biggest difference is in their displays. The Teant gives you a bar that turns from red when going over something very dirty to blue when mostly clean. The Jigoo gives you more precise numbers, up to 100 when dust is heavy and single digits when there's not much left to pick up. It also has this little display that goes from red to green. I like that the Jigoo is so easy to understand. My only complaint with the Teant is that its display doesn't show everything, and sometimes I'm left guessing whether or not to make another pass. But it looks like it picked up a tiny bit more from this half of the mattress. All right, let's try something different. Because the mattress is one thing, but this chair actually gets used every day without sheets to protect it. Same setup here. Each one gets half, which is not a huge area. I didn't imagine they would pick up much at all. But again, both of them are pulling out a decent amount of dust, though the Teant picks up a little more on this too. So after running both on the mattress and the chair, the Teant did pick up a little more dust. Not a huge difference, but consistently a bit more. But I did prefer the Jigoo display for feedback while you're cleaning. So if they're this close, which one actually makes more sense? Here's how I decide. If you want the strongest overall pickup, I'd go with the Teant. If you like having more feedback, showing which areas need more passes while you're cleaning, the Jigoo gives you that. If you want to check either of these out, I've linked them in the description. And if you want more comparisons like this, I've got more coming soon, so make sure you subscribe.